Sodium nitrite, reliable and versatile. Across multiple industries, this chemical plays a key role in operations, production, and performance. One of the most prominent industrial uses of sodium nitrite is in the production of azo dyes. Used to color textiles, leather, paper, plastics, and even food-grade products, azo dyes depend on sodium nitrite to initiate diazotization, a key step in their synthesis. It's what produces the vibrant hues seen in countless consumer products. Sodium nitrite is also a reliable corrosion inhibitor in industrial environments. It protects iron and steel in closed-loop water systems, antifreeze formulas, and cooling towers, preventing costly rust damage and extending system life. Its usage doesn't stop at dyes or industrial applications. Sodium nitrite also acts as a core reagent in chemical synthesis. From preparing nitro compounds and oximes to various diazonium salts, sodium nitrite is commonly seen in laboratories and factories producing nitrogen-based products. It also generates nitric oxide when reacted with acids, a key molecule in pharmaceuticals and material science. This versatility supports innovations in agrochemicals, polymers, and specialty chemicals. Lastly, sodium nitrite is widely used in the food industry. As a food preservative, it inhibits Clostridium botulinum in cured meats like bacon, ham, and sausages to ensure food safety while also enhancing shelf life, flavor, and the pink color consumers associate with these products. From dye synthesis to corrosion protection, sodium nitrite drives industrial efficiency and product quality. Available in various grades and packaging options to suit your operational needs. Contact us today for product support, bulk supply, or safety specifications tailored to your facility.